Hello YouTube! In this video we'll be replacing the cabin filter on a Honda Civic. Let's get right to it. The first step is to open the glove box and remove everything inside. Then press in on both sides of the glove box, just enough so the rubber stoppers can slip past the dashboard. This will put the glove box in the service position and give you access to the cabin filter cover. Next, press both clips on the cover and gently pull the filter tray out. Remove the old cabin filter from the tray. It comes out from the top. Now it's time to install the new filter. Pay attention to the airflow direction arrow. It should be pointing downward. Tuck the filter into the tray so it fits snugly and seals properly. With that done, slide the tray back into place. Make sure the airflow arrow still points down and that both clips click back in securely. To finish up, push in the sides of the glove box slightly so the rubber stoppers can pass the dashboard and return it to its normal position. And that's it! Job done! If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time!